What's up, family? Once again, I don't know what the hell wrong with this phone. These phones be tripping. But y'all can see I get it in. Let's talk about it's a fellow who goes by the name of Earl Nightingale. Hold on, let me look at my notes for a minute. See what's going on here. Bear with me, family. Bear with me. I think that's right. Let me verify that though. Yep. Earl Nightingale. King Rasta. Rule for Success Reheated. That's gonna be in the title. His rules and my rules, you know. I'm referring you to him simply because, family, it's something y'all need to look at and study. He's a white brother. It don't matter to me. My thing never been about racism. You know, I'm gonna walk around here and do my video. You know, I haven't been doing videos back here because motherfuckers been shitting in the pathway. Some trifling ass people, man. You know, I had to throw away some kicks. I walked in some shit. I don't got, you know, I like, man, forget it. I don't got time for that shit. You know, all that washing and all that, I ain't that fucking pressed. They was almost gone anyway. Them motherfuckers was getting holes in them anyway. Shit. But I want y'all to look up Mr. Nightingale, okay? Earl Nightingale. I'm gonna put his name in the title box. You know, that's gonna be the first name. You know, it's a method to my madness, family. I want y'all to learn. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to be dumb. I don't want my brothers to be dumb. I don't want my sisters to be dumb. We are not dumb, okay? I know what's going on social media. I'm not gonna talk about it because it's ignorant. I don't talk about ignorance. I'm to the point now, I'm done with that. I'm done. I don't even want to talk about it no more. As far as the ad crisis and Google. And I know y'all see that floating through the video. That's where I'm at. Okay? Because pretty soon, and this ain't about begging y'all for no money. I just want y'all to go see my uncut stuff on that channel. Pretty soon, I'm going to be doing stuff over there. I'm still going to be doing stuff over here, but I'm going to be doing stuff over there. I need y'all to come on over there. And if y'all like the platform, I told y'all in various videos, if y'all computer savvy, go give it a try and sign on up. It's just like YouTube, but it's a little bit different. Okay? And go sign on up and do the damn thing. Stop being scared. You got to get out here and do it, family. If you look, I'm a real content creator. The money don't matter to me, cause I'm a real hustler. Unlike some of these damn fools on these platforms, social media hustle. Sorry to say, folks, King Rasta still do it the old-fashioned way, and it's not no hustle. It's about talent. It's about a God-given talent. It's about inspiring my people and helping my people. I got the gift for gab. Why not give some knowledge to y'all? But other than that, I get in these streets. I get it how I live. But there ain't gonna be no negative shit, because there's always something to sell. I don't want to hear that bullshit. If you got talent, sell your talent. Sell your talent. Check Mr. Nightingale out, man. Earl Nightingale. I was just kicking it with y'all, enjoying me a nice stogie. You know, this is a ghetto bird, joint. But Hey man, it get me through. You know what? Quran, something. This joint ain't bad for a low price. You know, I'm a cigar man. You know what I'm saying? I represent cross promotion. You know, I'm waiting for my sticks to come in the store. I'm gonna have to order them motherfuckers though, cause they bullshit. You know, I showed y'all in the earlier video, them Jones is hitting. Them Maduros, them Sassusas, something like that. I love them Jones. I used to, if y'all cigar connoisseurs, my favorite cigar had a red tag on it. The Gars. The 50s, the Gars. Gars. That's what they call them, Gars. The 50s with the red joint on it, with the white writing on it. I used to smoke the hell out of them, you know. Thanks to my big brother, he got me hooked on this shit like a crack addict. He got me fiending for this shit. But this right here be tripping me out. When I smoke this, what's up, player? What's up, kingpin? But automatically when I smoke cigar, I'm supposed to be the boss of the bosses. I'm just smoking a cigar. I didn't say I was the Don of the Dons. What the fuck is wrong with... Anyway, I don't want to get too crazy because I know this is YouTube and they walking through the tulip gardens now. They oh, user friendly. That's why I moved on to the other side, folks, to a certain extent. I know the elder said, King Ross, what's going on? I mean, all the money, what's going on? AKA King Ross, what's going on? I'm doing other things, Mr. Elder. You feel me? I love you, Pops. You my YouTube grandpapa. That's how much I love you, man. You my YouTube grandfather, man. You know? Oh, I ain't gonna start tearing up and all that shit. Nah. Nah, man, I love you like a granddad, man. That's how much love I got for you, Pops. Cause you're a brave man at your age, and you bringing that heat, you bringing that brimstone to your enemies, which is my enemies, which is Real Deal's enemies. Rig the bad guy, 411 Talk Zone Radio, this brotherhood shit, Jill, the G-Way. You young dudes probably tripping on me. Remember, I'm the young OG in the group, okay? Real Deal got me, Rig the Bad Guy, Elder got me. They got me a couple years. I'm up under them. It's the pecking order. Then it's Mr. Donnie 908 and some other dudes, okay? I'm a young OG. I'm in my early 40s. I'm about to hit the big 4. I ain't gonna say nothing. I done told y'all my birthday, so y'all look at my videos, y'all know. But anyway, that's beside the point. Beside the point, I have fun with my family. My sister up in Chicago, Miss Temptation. You know what I'm talking about. Keep on bringing that heat. Steve Harvey, that bullshit. But that's what happens, baby, when the love of money, almighty dollar, the OJs and all that good stuff. That's what happens. Don't let money change you, almighty dollar. I'm afraid it's changed a lot of Negroes. It's been changing a lot of Negroes. You start putting them dead presidents in the mix. That's the real test. You gonna see how many people that is for you. That is for you and against you to a certain extent. They don't want to see you have shit. That's why you gotta do other things. You gotta add other things. You know what I'm saying? You gotta add other things to the initiative. You know, I keep telling y'all that, man. You know. A lot of people don't want to take heed. Then y'all get hooked on this social media stuff. I like YouTube. YouTube is all cool, man. I'm happy of, my subscribers, my viewers, and my haters too. Y'all. I don't know what, you know what? I'm gonna tell you something. I can feel it coming in the air of the night. Oh Lord, I can feel it. I know a lot of. I'm a old school dude. I grew up with all that 80s shit. That Miami Vice soundtrack. Phil Collins, Mr. Belly and all them. Earth, Wind, and Fire, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? So y'all come up in here, cause I already know. Here it go again. It seems like around this time the trolls come out not at night, at day. Y'all want to go down that road? I enjoy shutting channels down and commentary down. Many had tried to come on all of my productions with that BS. They got shut down by my commentary. I told you, I'm not a racist man. I told you I like to educate. I told you I like to have people enjoy my commentary so they can think out the box. I told you this. It's a method. And I don't hate nobody. I don't hate my black sisters. I don't even hate the swirlers, because I know that's what it is. If some black folks don't want to be black, that's a mental issue. And once you know the proper diagnosis of that, there it is. You got the whole solution, and got the understanding of their problems, not your problem, their problems, not yours. Okay? Per se for some people. It ain't no per se for me, because I know how it go. Because I know some brothers don't prefer black women. They prefer white women. They float their boat on that other side, which I don't have no problems with. That's their prerogative. I'm not going to sit up here 24 hours a day, 365 days out the motherfucking year, and fuss about the swirling, the gender war, the silver war, and the hit list. I've done a video about that. That's it. They can crash and burn. The ship can go down like the Titanic. That's on them. I'm not engaging in that bullshit. And that's it, and that's all. I need y'all to go look up Earl Nightingale. Why you keep on saying that white man's name? You brothers wonder why y'all financially strapped. Meaning that not strapped in the way of getting money, financially screwed. Your economy within your household is done. You're broke. You're deadbeat. You're a repeat offender. You trying to get it together. Go to the library if you don't got an internet service with. Look at Mr. Nightingale. Well, hell, look at my videos. Look at the real deal. Look at the Elder Rashawn DeLay, better known AKA Elder of Truth 1948. I'm going off the hip. Majority of my stuff is not even notes. That's why you supposed to study and research. 411 Talks on Radio. Definitely. Y'all need to go. I don't care. Old, young, blind, crippled, feeble. If you still got your eardrums, if you still can hear, go listen to Slim. He's a silver engineer. He let out some secrets too. It's all good. And that's another thing. I'm gonna say something about that too. Cause all Masons ain't demonic. I'm gonna leave it like that. He's in the brotherhood. And I'm surprised he said that, but it's all good. If y'all do y'all history, let me show you something. See this? Y'all can see it. You see that? You see that date on there? You see that? Y'all see that? Huh. Y'all gonna see it in the video. I know how to. I'm gonna put in my graphics. And it was this year. I mean, it was this month. Excuse me. It was this month. 1776, May 1st. That's when all hell broke loose in the stonemason guilds. I'm gonna say it again. 1776, May 1st. That's when all hell broke loose in the Egyptian mystery systems. Y'all, hold on, let me let that pass. Let me peep y'all the game. All this Illuminati, this, that, and the third. Let me peep y'all the game. Y'all talk about that. The Masons. I'm gonna say this one more time. I ain't gonna talk about that no more. I'm gonna because I know a lot of people like to talk about Illuminati and all that. I don't got time for that. I'm gonna tell you something. I ain't gonna tell y'all no more. Illuminati. Not really Illuminati, because Illuminati is something made by the demons that infiltrated the stonemason guilds at that date. The academia and the curriculum of the Freemasons is the Egyptian mystery system. It wasn't no Freemason. It wouldn't be no Freemasons. It wouldn't be no Masons of different lodges and different titles and names if it wasn't for the Egyptian mystery system. Are you comprehending what I'm saying? It wouldn't be Freemasons without the Egyptian mystery system. That's it. That's all. Y'all can say King Rasta, King Rasta. I know y'all gonna be trying to put me in something that I'm not in. It's whatever. Do what y'all do. Now, go look up Mr. Nightingale, Earl Nightingale. Now, let me peep y'all the game on this. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying myself because I want to teach today. I want to bring out some knowledge, man. Smoking my stogie. I'm enjoying myself talking to y'all, my viewers and my subscribers. Y'all need to come on. Tell them about me. Sit them boys, sit them girls down and listen to this ism. I hear a lot of people bringing that old book up, the 48 Laws of Power. Mr. Robert Greene, The Art of Seduction. It's all in audio books on YouTube. Just like anything, folks. Goddamn, these goddamn bugs out here. Y'all trying to eat up my legs and shit. I gotta give me some goddamn boots. Again, motherfucking ticks. I feel good. Ain't nothing. But when you walking through these woods, family, and shit, like I do, cause I'm a nature buff, you gonna get a feel of those bastards on you, cause that's what it is. My only thing, when your ass get where you at, where you lay your head at, jump your ass in that shower. There's so many of us rinse out in these goddamn woods or do construct. I'm a construction man by trade, so I know about this. I mean, this is my element, you know what I'm saying? But you brothers, man, I don't care, because I know y'all do a hard day's work. You know, I know how it go. You want to get you some drink. You want to bang shorty out or whatever. But first, get your ass in the shower, man. Wash your ass, man. You know what I'm saying? Witch hazel, throw that shit in the bathtub, soak in it. You know what I'm saying? Get you some nice therapeutic soap. Wash your ass down. If you got dreads, you definitely got to wash your dreads, dog. Because all kind of shit be jumping in there. You know what I'm saying? Some stuff you can't see with the naked eye. You know, like particles and all that crap. You know, so make sure you wash your ass thoroughly, man. Damn. So many of us even we infect ourselves simply because we don't take the proper hygiene to wash our ass. You know what I'm saying? Wash your ass first, then do the damn thing. But anyway, little health tip for y'all. You know, stop being lazy, man. You know what I'm saying? That's that lazy shit. I'm going there all blunted up and all liquored up. Oh, baby, rub the cheeseburger on my stomach. Yeah, we're gonna get it in. Come on, dog. Wash your ass first. Then you can do your little fetishes and all that stuff y'all like to do. You think you fooling King Rasta? Ha. You ain't fooling me. Fooling your goddamn self. Every now and then I gotta bring some humor into it, folks. It's like these people. Donate to Patreon. I need hair. I need donations for some weave. I need donations. My kids need some shoes. You know, dude, man. I need to get some roll-ups, man. I need some donations for some top shelf liquor. You know, I want to get them new LeBrons, man. Donate to Patreon. You know, make me rich while you get poor. Yeah, I give you the knowledge. You know, the knowledge is worth money. You know, when I give you the knowledge, you supposed to donate to me, because by me giving you the knowledge, you're gonna be self-sufficient like me. You be a dumb son of a bitch. Don't do that, folks. Don't hurt yourself. So many of us, you gonna donate to someone, your life is full of turmoil and hell, and y'all putting these people on easy street, because what they say out their mouth, it makes you happy. But let me break it down to you. That's all good and well, but King Ross is not gonna charge you. I done it one time. That's an old video. I got a PayPal. On my Facebook page. No one ain't donate nothing. It is what it is. And ever since then, I never mentioned it until now. And it's not about me, because y'all know I don't give a damn about that. You know I love y'all dearly. I ain't about that. I do stuff to see where y'all minds at some of the time. But I do got a PayPal, but you know, the only way I start asking for donations or something like that, let's say me and my YouTube family want to do a venture, and we trying to, like, let's say, for example, Real Deal, Red the Bad Guy, 411, Mr. Donnie, Bands, Yaskara, even Tyreek, or you know, the people I feel deemed to elaborate in my videos, all the people I mentioned and put on Front Street far as giving them props. Let's say all of us get together and try to do something, then I would do that, because I know it'd be benefiting other folks that we want to help out, and the stuff we've been through personally as people off of social media that's going through trials and tribulations and still going through. Then I will ask for people, from people that are entertained, not only entertained by our commentary, that is they get inspiration from our commentary, and they need help. Then I would take that money in that pot to help those that need to be helped, not me. I might get a little cut up out of it, but the majority of the money is gonna go to the people that see. I'm a Negro like this. Let's break it down to Soulsville. This is how it's supposed to be done. If I get a certain amount of quota and I'm living fat due to my donation drive, you listening to me? I get a certain amount of money. I'm a divvy that money up. I'm gonna look out for the cookout. It's like a re-up. It's like a trap house. You know what I'm saying? But we doing it in a social media way. We selling birds far as donations. The birds are the donations. So I'm gonna split it up, and give it to the people that is fans and viewers that's living in a hellhole, and they gonna come up. If I come up, they gonna come up. And that's how you look out for the cookout. That's the only way. But other than that, hell no. Now you see where I'm coming from, family. That's the kind of Negro I am. You want to talk about big bank take little bank? You want to talk about flipping the dollar in the black community? That's how you do it. Other than that, bullshit. And how the hell you think you gonna play a dude that used to be a bullshit artist? Or you should be on the other side of the track. That's why I can spit this game. That's what I say. Y'all dudes coming on here and y'all women coming on here talking that S, better think twice. Get your feelings hurt. And I already then shut down some people in the past. Come with their bullshit, which I don't got time for. My thing is not consistent. It's not based on hate. It's based on trying to teach y'all something. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day out here, family. Beautiful day. I'm enjoying myself. Love y'all dearly. Love my subscribers and my viewers. All my brothers and sisters' channels are growing. It's amazing, you know. I've been on here for a while, man. But I tell you, man, I can't. I'm always gonna thank the elder. That's why y'all need to leave that man alone. Y'all dudes will lose. The elder is an institution now, okay? You might as well just get used to it. He's an institution on YouTube. You know, I done that one video, man. Ever since then, my little YouTube career then blossomed. That's why I always gotta every now and then pay this man homage, man. It wasn't for him. If it wasn't for Mr. Delay, y'all wouldn't know Mr. Rasta. I ain't like these other dudes to take credit. Oh, I done this all by myself, you know. Is the reason why my channel like this. Because no. No one never heard of me until that man was down and out. I seen that video. He was, you know, I said, that's it. Then I had to come in defense of him. I woke up the next day, he's cranking that music like he got that, I guess he said the hell with it. That's that, he got his signature now, meaning that same beat he played in his videos. He was playing that beat, the incense burning, King Rasta, King Rasta, King Rasta. I like, what the fuck? A talented young brother. You think I forgot? Nope. That video got a rack of views. And I don't know. That thing, they still watching it. I haven't looked at it. Last time I seen it was 6,000 views on that dang on video. That one video I done about Rashawn Delay in defense around, I don't know, it might be up to 7,000 or something. That go to show you. Don't bite the hand that feeds you, boy. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. I know what cloth I'm cut from. That's why, you know, it's only a select few I deal with in this sector. And the names I mention, that means that's respect. If I don't respect you, I'm not gonna speak about you. It's just simple as that. You know what I'm saying? You don't get my approval. Okay? That's how it go down on Audemars Productions. That's right. 29 minutes in the game, and well worth the watch. And I know y'all gonna watch this. That's right. The man behind the mask. The man behind the mask, the man who bring you all kind of productions, the man who put in work just to show love for the human race. That's all I do. I'm an unorthodox practitioner and a humanitarian of sorts, okay? And this is my appreciation to the YouTube family. This is why I do videos, family. It's not about King Rasta. It's not about me being famous. Shit. I'm famous because I'm already born a king. I'm a black man. So I'm already famous, baby. Low self-esteem is not a dream. It's a nightmare. And that's how all you brothers should be. What I just said out my mouth, what I just told you probably is the most important thing I said in this video. Far as black man's ego. I'm already blessed. Did you hear what I just said? I'm already blessed just by being born a black man. Do you know what a black man consists of? Do you know how powerful you is as a black man? The majority of y'all don't. Once you realize who you really are as a black man, once you brothers realize who you are as a black man, sky's the limit. And you sisters, Mother's Day coming. I love my black women till the day the man up there say, that's it, King Rasta. I gotta pull your card. I love my black women. I love my sisters. My mom's still kicking in her early 70s. And she give me that work when I get out of line, because she know you ain't gonna disrespect me. I don't care if you're a man or not. You still my son. And she let me know. She let me know. Ain't none of that bullshit that coming out your mouth. You ain't gonna disrespect me. You know what I'm saying? And I love her. Because she raised me how to respect women out here today. I ain't no problems with no relationships. Half of those relationships because of my stupidity and stuff as a man that I was carrying on about. But far as she told me, far as treating other melanated sisters that were coming to my life as girlfriends or whoever, or a wife, because I ain't married yet. I don't have no significant other. You know what I'm saying? Everything she said was right. So how can I disrespect my mom, Dukes? How can I come out here and disrespect the prostitute or disrespect the good woman versus the bad woman? I know who I want. I've been around long enough to know who to pick and choose. I'm trying to teach y'all brothers something. And once you get that wisdom, don't come on social media crying because you're getting dogged out, because you knew what she was